How to create a viral talking AI avatar to get 1 million views. AI avatars are taking over the internet by storm, and we're here to show you how to jump on this trend and make your content stand out. In this video, we'll share with you how to generate an image using a free AI tool, generate scripts and add voiceovers using another free AI tool, and finally create a viral talking avatar. So, if you're excited about this AI avatar trend, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Now let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to write a short script that we're going to use later for our talking avatar. For this one, I want to create a motivational speaker avatar, so I will need to have a short motivational message. Well, you can write that yourself, or go to ChatGPT and generate one. Now, let's go to ChatGPT and start writing our prompts. Great. Now that we have our short script, let's proceed to the second step, which is to add a voiceover. For this one, let's use Elevenlabs.io. Elevenlabs is the best voiceover generator for me, and I'm going to create a video for that, so be sure to subscribe. Okay, so just copy the script from ChatGPT and paste it to Elevenlabs. Now, my tip for choosing the perfect voiceover is to match the tone of our speaker to our topic. Since our avatar is a motivational speaker, I'm going to choose an old man with a deep voice or a powerful male voice, something that would let out the emotions of the audience. Here are the pre-made voices in Elevenlabs.
Happiness can exist only in acceptance.
Dreams come true. Without that possibility, nature would not incite us to have them.
In seed time learn, in harvest teach, in winter enjoy.
If you do what you've always done, you'll get what you've always gotten. Not what we have, but what we enjoy constitutes our abundance.
You can create 3 cloned voices for a free account. Or if you don't want to clone a voice, you can add 3 more from the 100+ voices in their library, which I'm going to show you in my next video. I already found the perfect voice for my avatar, so let's start generating it.
When nobody helps you, embrace the strength within. You are capable, resilient, and unstoppable. Trust yourself, push forward, and achieve greatness alone. Believe, and you will soar beyond any obstacle. You've got this.
Perfect. Now that we have our voiceover ready, let's proceed to step 3, which is to generate an old man image as our talking avatar. For this one, let's use Leonardo.ai. So here we are. Let's first choose a model we want to use for this. Here, I'll choose Absolute Reality version 1.6, because this would produce a realistic image. Then we can start writing our prompts and generate it. I think this looks already good. He looks like a man of wisdom, isn't he? So let's download it and go to Canva to resize the image before we turn this into a talking avatar. Since this is for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and FB Reels, I'll choose this format. After that, let's download this into a PNG or JPEG format. Okay, for the final step. Now that we have our voiceover and image, let's go to DID, another AI tool that we're going to use in generating our talking avatar. I've already signed in, so without further ado, let's begin. Just click Create a Video in the upper left corner, then upload the image we generated from Leonardo. After that, let's upload our generated voiceover from Elevenlabs here and then click Generate.
When nobody helps you, embrace the strength within. You are capable, resilient, and unstoppable. Trust yourself, push forward, and achieve greatness alone. Believe, and you will soar beyond any obstacle. You've got this.
That's it. We now have a motivational speaker avatar. I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this.